Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover embroidery machine hacks that will blow your mind. Embroidery machines are amazing tools, but with a few clever hacks, you can take your embroidery game to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, these tips and tricks will help you save time, improve efficiency, and create stunning designs with ease. Get ready to revolutionize your embroidery process. Number 1, use sticky stabilizer for hard-to-hoop fabrics. Hooping delicate or oddly shaped fabrics can be challenging. Sticky stabilizers make it easier. How it works: stick your fabric directly onto the stabilizer without hooping. Best for velvet, leather, or stretchy materials. Bonus tip: test a small area first to ensure the adhesive doesn't damage your fabric. Number 2, save time with pre-wound bobbins. Pre-wound bobbins are a game changer for busy embroiderers. Why it's helpful: they're evenly wound and last longer than manually wound bobbins. It's practice. Keep a variety of colors on hand for different projects. Number 3, turn your phone into a light box. Need to transfer a design onto fabric? Your smartphone can double as a light box. How to do it: increase your phone's brightness. Place the design on your screen and overlay your fabric. Trace the design using a fabric pen. Tip: use a clear screen protector to avoid scratches. Number 4, use masking tape for clean embroidery. Edges masking tape can keep your fabric taut and your design area neat. How to use it: tape the edges of your fabric to the hoop to prevent slipping. Best for large or stretchy designs. Number 5, create your own bobbin holder. Keep your bobbins organized with a DIY solution. Materials needed: foam, ice cube trays, or muffin tins. How to make it: place each bobbin in its compartment and label the colors for easy access. Number 6, sharpen your needles with aluminum foil. Dull needles can ruin your embroidery, but you can sharpen them easily. How to do it: stitch through a piece of aluminum foil several times. When to use: after extended use or when stitching thick fabrics. Number 7, use temporary adhesive spray. Keep your fabric and stabilizers securely in place without hooping. How it works: spray the adhesive on your stabilizer. Press your fabric onto it and start embroidering. Pro tip: choose a residue-free spray to avoid clogging your machine. Number 8, mark hoops for accurate placement. Accurate placement is crucial for perfect embroidery. How to do it: use a permanent marker to draw alignment lines on your hoop. Match these lines with your fabric markings for consistent placement. Number 9, recycle scraps for small projects. Don't throw away fabric scraps. They're perfect for testing designs or small projects. Ideas for scraps: keychains, patches, or applique. Bonus tip: use scrap stabilizers for test runs. Number 10, keep your threads tangle-free. Tangled threads are frustrating, but this hack will save you time. Solution: use mesh thread nets or repurpose old stockings to keep thread spools neat. Pro tip: store threads in a vertical organizer to prevent unwinding. Conclusion: with these embroidery machine hacks, you can simplify your workflow, enhance your creativity, and produce professional quality designs. Experiment with these tips and watch your embroidery projects transform. Which hack will you try first?